I'm your host Sonia Gupta and welcome to Anybody Can Bake. Every Friday I bring you a brand new 100% eggless baking recipe. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe it now and hit the bell icon. You will never miss my upcoming recipe videos. 100% eggless, 100% amazing. Alright, back to today's recipe. Banana, walnut and chocolate makes a perfect combination, and so is our today's recipe. These eggless banana walnut muffins with choco chips are moist and full of flavors. Let's get started. In a bowl, take 170 gram overripe bananas. Using a fork, mash these bananas into a fine paste. Feel free to use a potato masher if you feel more comfortable with that. Add 100 gram brown sugar and 60 ml any unflavored oil. Here I am using sunflower oil. The purpose of adding brown sugar is to enhance the flavor. Plus, the brown sugar will also add the color to our muffins. अगर आपके पास ब्राउन शुगर नहीं है तो आप रेगुलर व्हाइट शुगर भी यूज कर सकते हैं. अमाउंट सेम ही रहेगा. Keep whisking until sugar dissolves completely. Add half teaspoon of cinnamon butter flavor from Osoro. Osoro is a premium food flavor brand developed in India that offers the best in taste experience. Osoro has a wide range of flavors that every baker must try. I have shared the link of the essence in the description box below. Take a sifter and add 125 gram all-purpose flour, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt to it. Sift everything together into the bowl of wet ingredients. Now start mixing to incorporate dry ingredients with wet ingredients. Start adding milk in portions and continue to whisk until everything combines well. In total, I have used 100 ml milk. The amount of milk can vary depending upon your flour quality, so adjust it accordingly. Add 50 gram chopped walnuts and 50 gram choco chips to the batter. Stir it and the batter is ready. Here I am using disposable use and throw muffin cups. Fill each muffin cup up to 3/4. Our muffins are ready to go inside the oven. Now we will bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, the muffins are out from the oven. Let's perform a toothpick test. A clean toothpick means perfectly baked muffins. Let me unmold one muffin for you. Look how easy it was to unmold from the muffin cup. So, our banana walnut muffins are ready. It is smelling heaven. Don't be surprised if neighbors start knocking on your door to check what's baking. Thanks for watching. If you like this recipe, make sure to subscribe for more. Try this recipe and share your feedback. Start baking at home with Anybody Can Bake. See you next Friday with another exciting recipe video.